Hey guys, today I'm doing a review of my writing desk from Coavas. I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly, but anyhow, this is the desk that I got from them, and it's pretty simple to put together. It probably took me no more than 10 minutes, including taking it out of the box to put all of this together. So let me go ahead and show you the box real quick. All right, so this is the box. It was actually pretty light. Um, let's see, that's the weight there. It wasn't really hard for me to pick this up and carry. I carried it on my own. So anyways, let me go ahead and get back to the desk and show you a little bit more about it. All right, so as you can see, there are clips that you put to that's actually being used to allow this to stay together. When it came out of the box, this entire frame was already together. It just was folded. Just had to obviously pull the legs out. And then once I pulled the legs out, this was completely disconnected, and I just had to snap it in with the four locks here. All right. All right. So it was pretty simple. You did have to give it a nice nudge for it to get in there, but I think that's a good sign. So, but anyhow, so it is pretty good. I would say it's pretty sturdy as well. I tried moving it around. I can obviously move it around like this, but as far as like literally trying to wiggle it, it's pretty sturdy. So out of 5 stars, I would give it 5 because it's pretty, and it's also lightweight. I love it because it's super easy to move in and out of apartments, even your house, of course. But yeah, it's pretty sturdy. Nice height, nice size here. But yeah, especially if you're constantly on the move. So yeah, 5 out of 5. Give it a go. Awkward pause. Sorry.